This is a view of Ratis Park. Okay, there are several activities inside and outside.
ਤੇ ਇਸ ਵਲੌਗ 'ਚ ਦੇਖੋਗੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਐਕਟੀਵਿਟੀਆਂ ਕਰਵਾਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ, ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਦਾ ਟ੍ਰਿਪ। ਵੈਸੇ ਤੇ ਆਏ ਦਿਨ ਹੀ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਟ੍ਰਿਪ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ ਪਰ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਇੰਜੋਏ ਕਰਵਾਉਂਦੇ ਆ। ਚਲੋ ਦੇਖੋ ਜੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਜਾਣੇ।
Espera bocadinho. Está lá, Saralinho. Pode. Yes. Saralinho. Saralinho. Very good. Your mother is looking at you now.
Tá bom aí, faz uma fila aí.
Não, mas não, tem uma corda. Já.
Bora. Bora.
É isso. É muito liso.
Não, Isa, siga.
Esta planta.
Não, vamos todos.
Claro, porque não dá para passar.
You can do it now. Go on. The rope in the middle of your legs. Yes, that's good, Saralinho. Very good. Up. Again. Your right hand. The other leg. The other leg. The other leg. Now your hand on the rope. Now your hand on the rope. Saralinho, don't be afraid, it's very easy. Very good, Saralinho. Now it's your turn, Saralinho. Don't worry, I won't help, okay? You are too old. Amigos, a pôr a mão aí para use the front hand. Não, para aqui. Very good, very good. E push, push. Very good, Saralinho. This is not high, it's just 50 centimeters. Jump, very good. Saralinho. Go on. Slow, slow. Saralinho, you can go. Saralinho, you can go. Be careful not to fall and crocodile that water. Okay? Yes, they are crocodiles. Where is the water? Where is the water? Why there is no water? Sorry, I thought there were some crocodiles. Maybe lions, I don't know. Be careful, that's too high, eh? That's very high. I'm doing a video for your mother, Saralinho. Please go on, Saralinho. Saralinho. Go on, Saralinho, don't stop. Very good, Saralinho. Say hello to your mother, Saralinho. Now they will climb this wall. Very nice. the water pistol here. See, this is water. Okay, don't worry. Go, Sarah. Hide, Sarah, please. Hide. Very good, Sarah. Don't, be careful with that gun, Sarah Beline. I'm doing a home video for your mother with the water pistol here. See, this is water. Okay, don't worry. Go, Sarah Blin. Hide, Sarah Blin, hide. Very good, Sarah Blin. Be careful with that gun, Sarah Beline.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਰਾ ਬਲੌਗ ਦੇਖ ਹੀ ਲਿਆ ਹੋਵੇਗਾ ਕਿ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਦਾ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਕਮੈਂਟ ਕਰਕੇ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਦੱਸਿਓ ਤੇ ਪੁੱਤਰਾਂ ਦੇ ਸਕੂਲ ਬਾਰੇ ਤੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਦੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਇੰਜੋਏ ਕਰਾਉਣਾ। ਮਿਲਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਵਲੌਗ 'ਚ। ਬਾਏ ਬਾਏ। ਤਦ ਤੱਕ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਚੈਨਲ ਨੂੰ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ, ਲਾਈਕ, ਸ਼ੇਅਰ।